Hey y'all guys, President of Southern Castleberg here. My older sister wanted me to film today, but we were hearing like some weird, loud, like thundering, like roaring type sounds over there. But it doesn't sound like any machine or anything. I mean, I bet you can still hear it over there, but it was that. Do y'all hear that? Hold up. Y'all, are y'all hearing this? Can y'all hear that? What the heck is this? There's some, like, what is happening? I've been, last night, like all these pictures just like fell off the wall and just fell down. I mean, we were all asleep by then. There's been some strange stuff happening here. Frostburg is the main place of construction. Well, I mean, where the heck is that even coming from? This bamboo forest that we made. Now that is some thick bamboo. Y'all, are y'all hearing this? Oh God. Look. Y'all, the heck is that over there? Bye.